Welcome to phase 3 video 1. In this video, we will start our hands-on journey by learning Python basic for AI. You do not need to be a Python expert. We will learn only what AI actually uses, nothing extra. If you are new to Python, don't worry. I'll go slow, explain everything, and mistakes are completely normal. So let's begin. Python is not AI itself. Python is a language we use to work with data and AI libraries. Think of a Python as a way to talk to, machine learning tools. We will start very simple. So the first one is variables. So let's understand variables. I'll define age equals to 30, salary equals to 50K, and name to say Avinash, and I'll print age, print salary, print name. Let's run it and see. So these are called variables, where variables store informations. So AI models mostly work with numbers, so variables are very important. If you understand variables, you can already understand a lot of AI codes. So we will move on to list. So let me define variable a list scores is to square bracket 70, 80, 90. Oops. And we will print scores and run it. So a list stores multiple values together, the way we have defined 70, 80, 90. In AI, lists are often used to store data points, values, or results. You don't need to memorize syntax, just recognize what a list looks like. Let's move on to directories. So I'll define employee to curly braces name John, comma, then role IT, comma, experience, say 5 years, and we will close curly braces. Let's print employee. So the employee name is double S here. Well, let's run it again. It says name employee is not defined. That's fine, we will run it. So here we got result. So a dictionary stores data as a key value. So this is key and this is value pairs. AI tools often result in this format when return result in this format, especially APIs. Understanding dictionaries help you read AI outputs clearly. Now we will move on to loops. So for score and scores print score. Let's run it. So this is called loop. Loops repeats the same operation for many values. AI systems do not think like humans. They process data repeatedly and very fast. Let's understand conditions. So for score in scores, if score greater than 75, print pass score, else print needs improvement, comma score. Alright, let's run it. Okay, so this is condition logic. Machine learning models automatically learn better decisions rules like this. Right now we are learning the idea, not building model set. Now we will move on to functions. So let me define function. Define calculate underscore average values, return sum of values divided by length values, average to calculate score average scores, print average. All right, so here we got the average value. So basically functions help us reuse logic, and AI libraries are collection of functions written by experts. So you don't need to write complex function set, just understand how they actually work. So let's work with some data. So I'll import pandas speedy. Pandas is a library used heavily in AI. So data hours score underscore studied 2 4 6 8 comma score 150, sorry, 50, 60, 70 and 85. df pd dot data frame, and we will pass data. Let's run it. So here we got the data set. So this is our data set. Each row is one record, each column is a feature. So most AI problems are actually data problems, not algorithm problems. Let's understand some common errors. Print, run it. So this name is not defined. So this error happens to everyone. This variable is not defined. Errors are part of learning, not failure. So every professionals see error on every day. We did not cover advanced Python topics here. No classes, no object oriented programming, no complexity. We will learn things only when AI needs them. In this video we learned Python basic used in AI. You can now read AI related Python code and make small changes. That is enough to move forward. um, in the next video we will work deeply with data, which is heart of AI. So make sure to practice a little and then continue. Go slow, pause the video. Learning AI is not race. Follow the phase 3 playlist in order. Thank you.